Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This will be my first video. I'm Leah Renee, and as you can tell by the title, this will be the unboxing of my first luxury handbag. So we just gonna jump right into that thing. So it comes, cause I already opened it, y'all. I ain't finna flex. I opened it. So it comes in a box like this. And then you rip the little thing off, and then you go boom. Oh. And then your box will be inside here. Okay. And then, so my box was, they didn't wrap no ribbon on mine, nothing special. I did this for us, because we are one. So I'm just gonna, yeah, all that. And you got the little latchy batch, and it'll be in this dust bag. You got your receipt. I'm gonna put this here, and then of course your bag. And that's where my ribbon was, in the bottom of the box. So got your dust bag. Pull it out the dust bag, and you gotta like, I don't know why, but it come like ugly folded. You gotta fix it. It'll be nice. But I know why it's folded now, because it's a very soft purse. Like, it's soft, y'all. It's soft. Like, just, it doesn't have its own real shape. So, like, if anybody knows of, like, an organizer or anything, that would be very helpful, so I can help it keep its shape. But this is the shape. Purse. I don't really like monogram print, at least right now, because I might eat my words later. But right now, and especially for this bag and the next one that I want, this is what I'm going for. I like it. And then the inside, oh, I'm sorry, hardware. Nice gold, pretty hardware. And you got it. It's on the button. Can you see it? Let me see something. Oh! Oh! I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying. Let's see. I'm trying. I tried it. It's on the button. It's on this button. It's right there, clearly. And it's not on the other side. And then here's the inside. My writing's spinning on me. And then inside, you get your lock and key. And the lock has it on both sides. Don't mind my hair, y'all. I'm fresh off work. Like, I clocked out and I came to do this just for us, y'all. So, know what I'm saying? But yeah. And I work remote, so that nobody's seeing my hair but y'all. And now the world is okay. So I don't care. It's not what I'm here for. Yeah.
The door.
Yeah. Also inside you get like little tags, and then the receipt part is boring, so I'm not even gonna go into that. But it's just it's receipts, I guess.
We don't
Anybody's
care.
really,
We don't care.
super interested. So you have your client copy. I believe this one was, yes, with the return policy and everything, and how I paid. And I paid via PayPal, because I don't pay that mess. If anybody try to pay me, get my money back, baby. Anyway, return slip, and then a thank you. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching and doing this with me. I'm so excited. This was a graduation gift to myself. Just really excited. You know, finished a 4-year degree in 2 years. You know, had a lot going on this year between COVID and family situations and issues. You know, so to stay on track, and I graduated with honors, y'all. I was trying hard, but you know, I did a lot. I put in a lot of hard work. So this is just something I'm glad I could do for myself. Something I've been wanting for a while. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll get back at you with another one.